Hey buddy, why do bananas like gymnastics? Because they like doing the splits. I'm gonna show you a very, very easy, healthy breakfast or snack banana split. Ready? Let's split. Just kidding, let's cook. First thing we gotta do is peel our banana. Some of us peel this way. I peel it this way. You ready? Okay, a lot of us will peel it from this side, but I read somewhere that monkeys peel from this side, and I think they're pretty smart. So the way you do that is take it, peel, peel, peel. Next step is we are going to cut and split our banana. So it looks like a hot dog. We'll open it up like a hot dog bun. So I have two different types of yogurts. I got a raspberry and I got a plain. Now we're just gonna take some and we're going to adding both. Gives it a nice contrast of flavors. Next, we're gonna put whatever toppings you have. So for me, I have chocolate chips and I have some nuts. I also have some blueberries and some raspberries. And we're gonna top it off with a little bit of honey. Anyway, friends, here is our breakfast banana split. Easy, nutritious, customizable. So if you have granola, cheese seeds, any other type of fruit, just add it on there. Really, all you need is banana, yogurt, and toppings of your choice. Great way to start the day also. Great way to end the night. Instead of the ice cream, get a banana split. Anyway, let's try it. Some banana, some yogurt, some chocolate chips, some honey, and some nuts. Delicious. Easy. Filling.